some breaking news that's coming in from our neighborhood. This is to do with Bangladesh. The attacks on the Hindu community, Hindu homes and businesses continue unabated. Alarm has been raised by India. Alarm has been raised by Hindus living worldwide. Now we're given to understand that a similar attempt is being made. A signature campaign is now being floated. In a letter to the UNHRC, intellectuals and academicians, RSS-linked body has also written to the UNHRC to look into the atrocities on the Hindu community in Bangladesh. The letter was written after a signature campaign by 1 lakh people. The letter states, and I quote, that Hindus are facing existential crisis in Bangladesh. Persecution and violence against them is escalating every day, and they're being systematically targeted. Long-term strategies for their protection is the need of the hour, is the appeal that this letter is making, asking the United Nations Human Rights Commission to step in, to intervene and to act, to get the Yunus government, which is the caretaker government in Bangladesh, to take note of the atrocities and what is being claimed as persecution of Hindus in Bangladesh. Akash, my colleague, joining us, getting us more details on this front. Akash, what more can you tell us about this signature campaign and the appeal that has been made to the Human Rights Commission?
Right. So, Poonam, you see, this letter has been written after the signature campaign by 1 lakh people. And this letter has been written by intellectuals, lawyers, and concerned citizens. And they are somewhere, asking for intervention. Somewhere, they are asking to the United Nations Human Rights Council for the protection of Hindus and the minorities in Bangladesh. We know that since the time when the former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina fled from the country, the conditions there, even in the interim government, how minorities have been facing the conditions. And this letter is talking about the sort of violence and the vandalism, also the kind of assault and killings that are happening in the country, and that's the reason why it has been asked that the UN should deploy a fact-finding mission and engage with Bangladesh government so that not just the rights of the minorities can be saved, but also they can be protected.
Right, Akash, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front.